All right, I want to take a look at Lesson 2, Activity 4. This should help with questions 1, 2, and 4 on that activity page. All right, so this is the example 2 on the textbook page, and I'm just going to kind of walk you through it because, like I said, this is going to be the same process you take for 1, 2, and 4. So John Baker has a middle management position with this company. After his annual performance review, he receives a merit increase of 4.2%, a cost of living increase of 2.1%. His annual salary after the increase is $50,492.50. Find John's annual salary before the 2 increases took effect. Also find his merit increase and his cost of living increase. We're going to use this formula here. It's the new salary equals present salary plus cost of living adjustment plus the merit increase. Okay, so let's fill in what we know here. I can tell you right off the bat, this annual salary before is equivalent to saying his present salary. In other words, first he has a salary, he gets some raises, and then he has a new salary. So we're going to call this my variable P. I do not know what that salary was. It tells me that the cost of living adjustment was 2.1%. Well, that would be 2.1% of, which would be multiplication, his present salary. We're adding those. And then it says the merit increase is 4.2%. Well, again, that would be 4.2% of his present salary, of his multiply. So 4.2% times P. And then it tells me that his new salary is $50,492.50. Okay, so now we're actually going to solve this. First things first, I know that there's a hidden number in front of that P, which is a 1. We don't write it, but it's there. I need to change this percent into a decimal, so I would be moving the decimal 2 places to the left. So this would be a 0.021 times P. And then again, we're going to move the decimal 2 places, so this would be a 0.042 P, and that again is going to equal this 50,000 number. Alright, next step would be to combine like terms. Notice that each one of these have the P, which means I can actually combine them all. So really what I'm doing here is I'm adding some decimals. That's a 0. 1.000 plus 0.021 plus 0.042. And when you add all of those together, you're going to get 1.063 times P, equaling this 50,000 number. Last step is we divide out this 1.063. And that's going to give us P equals 47,000, when you do the division, 500, which I have right here. So what the P means again is his present salary. So in other words, John's salary before the 2 increases was 47,500. To find his merit increase, you would multiply 0.042 times the 47,500, and then to find his cost of living, you would multiply the 0.021 times the 47,500, which would give you this last number. So this is the step right here that you're going to be doing for 1, 2, and 4.